Let's do some shout out to our friends, YouTube friends. Start with Spelnia, Spelnimia, Spelnime, Spelme, Marzinia, Spelnime, or Spelmai, Marzinia. Shout out, my friend. Let's check. Let's let's check the channel. Okay, I will play one. Oops, ads. Okay. Okay, there's an ads in every video we have to play. May ads talaga. So wag natin skip. This video is not mine. So this is only for shout out. Okay, this is Mr. Sanima. Shout out to you, my friend. Mhm. Shout out. Check out another video. This one. Mhm. This one. Have to play this one. Shout out. Don't forget to check his video, guys. Our European friend. So you have to check another channel. So let's go back. Okay. Let's go back to my channel. Okay. Select Lisa and Jose Rezel Laurenti Vlog. Mhm. Lisa and Jose Razel Laurenti Vlog. Let's go back to my channel and we're gonna have another channel to shout out. This one. This is my channel. This is my friends. This is my FB friend. YT friends. Okay. Shout out to you guys. Okay. Mm-hmm. Shout out. This one. I think we have to shout out Mr. Shadow. Shadow. You know. Let's go back. This one, Shadow. Shout out Mr. Shadow. Shadow channel. Okay. Let's play one of his video. This one. Shout out Shadow. Mute lang. Teaser only ha. And then let's go back to your channel. We'll check another video. Okay, this is his channel. Awesome channel. This one will. This one. Oh. Mhm. You have an awesome channel. Shadows channel. Okay. Let's go shout out another friend. Mhm. This is Mr. Shadow's friends. Friends. Mhm. Okay. This okay, Yorang. This is also my friend. No? Hello, Yorang. Shout out to you. Mm. Let's play one of your video, Yorang, my friend.
밑으로 죽세 시 그다음에
Another video. This one a teaser. Short. Watch of your video, Yorang. We cannot watch the whole video of because of the copyright. Mm-hmm. Mm. Please check Yorang's channel, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. It's a sponsor.